Do you ever feel like you have lost your motivation? You know you have work to do, but you just can't bring yourself to start. Instead, you find yourself scrolling through social media for hours. You eat junk food even when you aren't hungry. You seek constant distraction just to feel normal. If this sounds like you are not lazy. Your brain is simply overloaded. You are suffering from a dopamine imbalance. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to reset your brain in just 48 hours. This protocol will restore your focus, your energy, and your joy for simple things. First, we need to understand what dopamine actually is. Most people think it is the pleasure molecule, but that is wrong. Dopamine is actually the molecule of craving and pursuit. It is what drives you to go out and get things. In the past, our ancestors had to work hard for dopamine. They had to hunt for food, build shelter, or find a mate. But today, we live in a world of cheap dopamine. Every time you get a like on Instagram, eat a sugary donut, or play a video game, you get a massive spike of dopamine without any effort. The problem is that your brain seeks homeostasis, or balance. When you constantly flood your brain with these high spikes, your brain fights back. It reduces the number of dopamine receptors to protect itself. This is called downregulation. Think of it like listening to loud music. Eventually, your ears go numb, and you need to turn the volume up even higher just to hear it. This is why simple tasks like reading a book or cleaning your room feel impossibly boring. Your baseline is so high that normal life doesn't register. So, how do we fix this? We need to perform a hard reset. We need to make boring things feel fun again. Here is the 48-hour dopamine detox protocol. Phase 1. The elimination. The first 24 hours. For the first 24 hours, you must eliminate all sources of cheap, artificial dopamine. This is going to be difficult, but it is necessary. Here are the 4 rules for Phase 1. Rule number 1. No screen time. This means no social media, no YouTube, no Netflix, and no video games. You can use your phone for calls or maps, but no entertainment. Rule number 2. No junk food or sugar. You will eat only whole, natural foods like meat, eggs, vegetables, and fruit. Rule number 3. No music or podcasts. We are so used to constant background noise that we have forgotten how to be alone with our thoughts. Rule number 4. No adult content. You need to let your reward system recover from hyperstimulation. Phase 2. The reconnection. The next 24 hours. Now that you have removed the noise, you will feel bored. Extremely bored. This boredom is actually a good thing. It is your brain's way of healing. During the second day, you will engage in low dopamine activities. These are activities that require effort, but give a slow, steady reward. Activity 1. Go for a long walk without headphones. Look at the trees, feel the wind, and just exist. Activity 2. Read a physical book. Not an ebook, but real paper. Activity 3. Journaling. Write down your thoughts, your goals, and what you are grateful for. Activity 4. Deep cleaning. Organize your room or your house. By the end of these 48 hours, something magical will happen. Because you have starved your brain of the high spikes, your receptors will start to upregulate. They will become sensitive again. Suddenly, reading a book will seem interesting. An apple will taste sweeter. Writing that report for work will feel satisfying rather than painful. You are resetting your baseline back to normal. This doesn't mean you can never use social media again. But after this reset, you should use it as a reward for hard work, not as a way to escape reality. Are you brave enough to try this challenge? Comment, "I accept" below if you are going to try the 48-hour reset. Don't forget to like this video to support the channel. See you on the other side.